Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Saulatia Putri. I'm from group 5. Now I will explain the presentation. First, I want to explain about the vocabulary. Number 1 is 15. The description: 15 is one of the natural numbers between 14 and 16. The number 15 consisting of the numbers 1 and 5. The example is 415. Number 2, 50. The description: 50 is a natural number consisting of 5 and 0. 50 is the tenth of number. The example: 6,850. Number 3, 500. The description: 500 is the hundredth digit consisting of the numbers 5 and 2 0 after the number 5. The example: the 1,500. Number 4, 5,000. The description: 5,000 is a number consisting of the number 5 and 3 zeros after the number 5. The example: 15,000. And then 5 million. The description: according to the Big Indonesian Dictionary, million is a multiple of the million, which is symbolized by 6 zeros. So 5 million is represented by the number 5 with 6 zeros after the number 5. The example: the 25 million. And then number 6 is 5 billion. The description: the definition of 5 billion in the Big Indonesian Dictionary is 1,000 million, meaning that 1,000 has 3 zeros, while million has 6 zeros, so that when combined is it called billion with 9 zeros. The example: 654 billion. And then number 7 is plus. Plus, the description is sign indicating the addition operation. Addition is the addition of a group of number or more into a sum. The example is the 2 plus 5. This is it. And then number 6 is minus. The description: sign indicating the subtraction operation, basic mathematical operation used to remove some numbers from their group. The example: 8 minus 7. And then number 9 is times. The description: multiplication is a process in which a number is according to its multiplier. In simple terms, multiplication is repeat addition. The example: 4 times 5. And then the last about the vocabulary is divided by. The description: division is a process in which a number is evenly into smaller numbers according to the divisor number. The example: 20 divided by 2. Next, I want to explain about the question in the video. The question is, if the trip home takes 39 minutes, at what time does Chris have to leave in order to be home by a 6:15? The first step is, let's draw a timeline. And then I will start at 5 and I will go up to 7. Because he has to be home by a 6:15. So now what is a 6:15? A hour is 60 minutes. So a 6:15 is a quarter times 60 is 15. So Chris has to be home at 6 past 15 or a quarter after 6. And then Chris trip home take 39 minutes. So I will go back 39 minutes from a quarter after 6, because from a quarter after 6 to 6 o'clock is 15 minutes. So can write 39 minus 15 is 24. So need 24 minutes from 6 o'clock. So 60 minus 24 is 39. So the answer is 5 past 39. Next, I want to explain about the question in the book. The first question is a rectangular room measure 216 inches by 150 inches. The interior designer wants to place a strip of molding around the room near the ceiling that costs $2.25 per foot. How much will it cost to buy the molding? Okay. In the case of a rectangle, perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times weight. 3/4. The perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times 260 plus 2 times 150 is 732 inches. The additional formula is 1 foot is 12 inches. So we change this 2 feet by dividing by 12, dividing by 12. 722 dividing by 12 is 61, and we have 61 feet. So the cost of the molding is 61 feet times $2.25 per foot is $137.25. So the final answer is $137.25. The next question. An interior designer wants to cover the floor of a room with a carpet that has a two-color design. The room is square, measuring 12 feet on each side. The designer wants a red circle whose center is the center of the room that leaves 2 feet to each of the floor walls. The remainder of the carpet should be white. The red carpet costs $12 per square foot, and the white carpet costs 10 per square foot. How much will the carpeting cost? First, we calculate how large the room. Since there are two prices, the cost should be between 144 feet square times $10 per feet square is $1,440, and 144 feet square times $12 per feet square is 1728. Since we want to leave 2 feet to the wall, the diameter of the circle must be 8 feet. Why 8? Since this is a subtraction of the length of the room, which is 12. It is subtracted by 4, so the radius must be 4 feet. We use the formula for the area of a circle. Area is x radius square, and found that the area of the red circle is 14 times 4 square is 24 feet square. The cost of the red carpet is 24 feet square times $12 per feet square, $602.88. The remaining area in the room is 144 feet square, and 24 feet square is 976 feet square, and the white carpet should cost 93.76 feet 2 times $10 is $937.60. So the final answer is $937.60. The next question is a rectangular fish tank is 30 inch long, 15 inch wide, and 20 inch height. Gravel is laid evenly at the bottom of the tank to a height of 2 inches. And the tank should be filled to a point that is 3 inches from the top of the tank. How much water can the tank hold to the nearest third of the gallon? So, after the gravel is laid, the height available for the water is 20 minus 2 plus 3 is 15 inches. And the next we have to find the capacity of the tank by counting its volume. The volume of the tank is length times weight times height. So the tank can hold 30 inch times 15 inch times 15 inch is 6,750 in the water. However, should be liquid measurements. 6,750 inch cubic per 1 times 1 gal per 231 inch cubic is 29.22. The gal is 29 the small is 26 Tugas. So the final answer is 26 Tugas. And then the last question, a balloon when expanded is in the shape of a sphere with a diameter of 24 centimeters. What is the maximum capacity of the balloon? To the nearest liter. So to solve this, we can use the formula for the volume of a sphere. However, first, we convert the diameter of the sphere to the radius by dividing by 2, which in this case is 12 cm. Using the formula for the volume of a sphere and 14, we counting its volume to be 4 per 3 times 3, 14 times 12 cubic is 7,234 56 centimeter cubic. This is equivalent to 7,234 56 milliliters. Here will convert it to liters by dividing by 1,000 to become this number can be rounded up and the result is 7 liter. So the final answer is 7 liter. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.